My favorite experience was when Boris and the cellos played a trick on me on my birthday. They all came in playing the wrong notes so that I sounded like I was wrong, and yeah, they were all laughing at me, so that was a great experience. My favorite concert was the Romeo and Juliet concert. We had these amazing ballet dancers, and our music was really challenging, but it was so rewarding once we learned it and played it, and yeah, it was definitely my favorite concert. Boris is great. Like, he brings so much energy to the show, and he makes it so entertaining for everybody, and that's what I really appreciate. Just meeting everybody and getting to play alongside these amazing colleagues. So many of them I feel like I'll meet again, just like playing in orchestras in the future, and coming across them in the cities that we live in. So that for me has been the best, just getting to know them and being able to play alongside them. I'm going to go back to Toronto and start freelancing there in Toronto and trying to play in some of the orchestras around the area, and also do some, I play some bluegrass and jazz and stuff too, so I'm going to get more into that as well.